start with BlueJ, and first we will start with the installation of BlueJ. So let's navigate to the folder where I have kept the software. So first we will try to install BlueJ 5.01 version. It will check for the space requirements. Then we need to click on next. For the time being, I am just installing for this user. Next, install. Now we need to wait till it's completely installed. Click on yes. Now it's updating the registry and copying new files, directory. Now it's removing the backup files and it completed. The installation has been completed. Now let's click on finish. Now let's try to run the BlueJ. No thanks. We are now able to get this first screen. And if you encounter any type of error that JDK is missing, then we need to install the Java Development Kit. And it's also advisable to run the Java runtime environment from the Oracle website. And the website for downloading BlueJ version is bluej.org versions.html. Currently I am using version 5.0.1. So this way we can install the BlueJ. Now first we need to click on new project. Now give a name to the project. I am giving learn to code. Okay. So it's created. Now we need to create new class. Give a new class. So I am giving as class name as ex1 as example1. Now clicking on OK. Now double click on it. This window will open. So first these lines are commented lines and it's known as multi comments. That is slash and star. So you can edit to your name. I can edit to as Sampad, and we can give a version number or a date. Now for this we can remove all these things. We just need the class name. Next we need to write the public static void main. Now I will give string args. Now let's create a small program, that is the hello world. We can write system.out.println. Hello world. After writing this program, now click on compile. So class has been compiled and there are no syntax errors. Once you read this, let's close this. Now go to right click on void main string args. Now click on OK. It will show the output, that is hello world has been printed in the terminal window. That's all for today for the beginners video. I will try to continue